Perfect. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you an apple banana smoothie with yogurt. Okay, so before I go into the video, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about all my videos. Okay guys, and remember to share. Okay, thanks to all my subscribers. I appreciate you. Thanks for the new ones, and thanks for you to share my video. All right, thank you so much. So let's get right into the video. It's simple, it's easy. Just two main recipes, two main ingredients: apple and banana cut up in that bowl. I have my blend bullet, so I'm gonna add the fruits. And I have my yogurt, so I'm using Greek non-fat yogurt, and I have a organic milk right here. Don't remember the name. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm gonna add this to the blender. The apple and the banana. You can use red apple, whatever apple you have, you can use it. Okay, doesn't matter which apple you use. Alright. So let's add the milk. I think I will be needing so much milk because I don't have any frozen fruit. I'm gonna have to add some ice cube to this for it to get real thick. Alright, I think I might add some honey. This is the yogurt, so I'm gonna use 2 spoons. Remember I said we're using non-fat Greek yogurt. Alright, let me get the honey for a little sweet. Well, actually I don't need any sweetener because the banana and the apple are already sweet. Put ice in this, and then I'm gonna blend. Alright, and then I'm gonna blend. So guys, because these were easy fruits, banana and apple, don't need much blending. As I said before, because I did not use any frozen fruit, it's gonna be a little bit on the watery side, but there you go. It's my apple banana smoothie with yogurt. How pretty it is. Look at the color. The color is so beautiful. So perfect guys, so perfect. Perfect guys, not too sweet and not fresh, but it's in between. It have a little sweetness because of the banana and the apples give it a sweetness taste. So it's not bad at all. It's great. It's good for the family. So go ahead and try the smoothie guys, you will love it. Okay, see, look at it. So color is so delicate, it is divine. So remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice smoothie. Alright, tell me what you need me to make in the next smoothie video so that I can go ahead and make it. Alright guys, so remember to check out my other videos, share them with your families. Alright. Okay, so until my next video, ta-ta, bye.